Hi everyone, in this video, let's learn how to enable auto scroll on TikTok. So first is to make sure that your TikTok app has been downloaded or updated to your phone. So make sure that you check on that, and if it's updated, then you can now click open to see if you can do this new update of TikTok, which is auto scroll. Now let's tap open. And for us to enable that feature, all you have to do is to press the center part or have it long pressed, and then you can see here options, and one of that is this auto scroll. So just tap on it, and as you can see, there is this button here, which means right after the video it will automatically scroll for you. So no need for you to use your fingers to scroll it down. So just have it enable, and then automatically videos will scroll. But if you want to disable that feature, you can press again the center screen and tap manual scroll, or you can just tap this button here on the upper right and then scroll to your next post. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.